Okay, very good afternoon, children. So yesterday I discussed about past tense and its certain uses. Now let me discuss more of it. We have discussed regular, irregular verbs. Okay, and now I'd like to discuss was and where. Sometimes we get confused where to use what. These are not very difficult thing, but thing is that we have to know where to use where. What? The verbs was and were also forms of the verb be. Okay, the way I taught you, in present tense be verbs are am, is, are. But in past tense, what are these? Be verb, these are was and were. So, if I say, yes, I dash is a musician. And if I give past tense be, then I was, you were. So all of you just remember these things. So was is the simple past tense and am and is, okay, just like am and is. Okay, am and is we use in the present tense, but in past tense the way we are using there, the same thing in past tense it will be changed. Am will be was. Okay, so we have to follow while changing this thing. Use was with the pronouns. Okay, I, he, she and it, and with singular nouns. Okay, use was with the pronouns I, he, she and it, and with singular nouns. Okay, so for example, Edison was a famous inventor. Edison was a famous inventor. So here it is about speaking about the past thing, past matter. So that's why we have used was. So more examples we can see in this paragraph. For example, let me read this one. Beethoven was a German composer. Okay, was a German composer. So was at the library this morning. It was very wet on Monday. 10 years ago she was only a baby. He was not well yesterday. Last year she wasn't tall enough to reach the high cell. Samantha was second in the race, wasn't she? So these are the certain sentences I read, and all the sentences are talking about the previous matter, past matter. That's why we used in each and everywhere we use was. But children, in certain cases, if we use plural number, like instead of Beethoven, if I say, okay, they, if I use they, I haven't written, if I do not write any name, and instead of the name, if I write they, then what will you write? Where. If it is you, second person, singular number, but past tense, that time also we have to write where, and plural number also where. But in third person, singular number, past tense will be was only, and then plural number again where. So my dear children, you can follow this one. Where is the simple past tense of are. Use where with the pronouns you, we and they, and with plural nouns. So clear this one? So now you can see more examples here. These were my best jeans. So many, this is not single jeans, so many are there, 2, 3 more than that. Okay, so here in this case, plural number we are using plural past tense, plural verb also we are using past, in past tense we are using were. Okay, the Romans were brave soldiers, were. They were third in the wheelbarrow race, and there were not any clouds in the sky. It is in the past tense. Were you still in bed when I phoned? we were on the same school team. So those were my best genes. So in these certain cases we have seen the Romans, of course plural number, so that's where I have used were. They plural number, so again we have used were. There were not, it is talking about past tense, negative things, but it is talking about the plural number. So in there sentences started with there. So which one will be the subject? Clouds. Okay, clouds will be the subject here. So here, where you still, this is a question mark, question number, question asking question. So where will be before this one main subject? Okay, were you still in bed when I phoned? So we were on the same school team. Okay, then those were my best genes. So see the examples everywhere, you can find the same. Now next one, here is a table to help you remember the rules. Okay, singular, plural, first person, second person, third person. What I just now I have discussed this one. Dear children, while doing these exercises you have to just follow this number, this person, which is what? Meaning if it is first person, then technique will be different. Second person also different, third person also different. So each and every person is different from one another. So same thing is observed here also. So here singular I were and plural we. I one will be plural we were. You were, you were. He was, she was, it was will be they were, they were, they were. All these things are changed. Okay. Here is a table to show you the different forms of the verb be. Okay. Simple present, simple past. First person singular am, second person singular are, third person singular is. So you can see this one. This is all about this present tense. And in past tense what we are using? See here I have used here singular in past tense. I was, so was is used, where is used, was is used. But in plural one, in all the cases in simple present tense we are using are only, but in plural number we have used were. So clear these things, dear children. Till this much you have any confusion, any doubts, you just ask me, write down your doubts to me. Okay, those who have doubts regarding these are very easy and very simple thing. If you have any doubts, you can write it down. Okay. Anyone? Notification is not coming. Why? I don't know. But you can see the scheduled dates, that means I am going to take. Okay. Yeah. And Thursday is not my date. If Patra sir is not, if he joins, then he will take. Otherwise, I will continue. Okay. I will take it on Thursday also, this class, no problem. Okay. So you do not have any doubts, so let me continue. Okay. Okay. So in negative one, what we are using? Wasn't short form wasn't, was not short form wasn't, and were not weren't. So now if this much is clear, then let me discuss the past progressive tense, that is what? Past continuous tense. Okay. So use the past progressive tense to talk about actions that were going on at a certain moment in the past. Okay. So here Miss May was cleaning the chalkboard. Shelley was packing her books into her school bag. Jenny and I were tidying the classroom. The twins were fighting in the corner. Michael and John were washing the paint brushes. Mom was cooking our supper when I came home. Mary was waiting for the bus and Peter passed by. So I know all these things are quite easy and simple, but then also children, they make mistakes. So dear children, you be careful while doing the same. You form the past progressive tense like this. How will you make? You know how to do present participle form? Yes, with the help of ing, main part with ing, so that we can make it present participle form. So in order to make this one, first of all we have to use either was or were plus present participle form to make this present continuous, past continuous tense. Okay, clear? For example, you can see mom was cooking our supper when I came home. So mom was cooking. So our main thing is that how to mom is singular, that's why we have used was. As I know this we have to make present past continuous. So ma'am was cooking. So cook is the main verb. With the help of ing we make it present participle form, and after completing this full one, the sentences will be present past continuous tense. Okay, in the above example, was and were are called helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, they help to form the past progressive tense. They help to form the past progressive tense. When you join them to the present participle, the form of the verbs ending in ing. For example, Ben was doing his homework. Ben was doing his homework. Next one is Peter was making a model of a bridge. Peter was making a model of a bridge. Okay. So my dear children, always be careful what we are using. It's very simple thing is, and this type of sentence when we are talking about our previous matter, that time only we are using this type of sentence. Okay. So always remember, if you want to past progressive tense, we have to use was or were plus present participle. Okay. Then your sentences will be correct and clear. Now, this is your exercise to do this one. So before doing this exercise, children, you just tell me your doubt. You just tell me your doubts. Those who have doubts, they can just write it down. अगर आपको doubt हो रहा है तो you just ask me immediately so that I can see. Okay? You just write your doubts. Those who have doubts. ठीक है, जिसको डाउट है वो करो, जिसको डाउट है करो. Those who do not have doubt, then it's okay. Okay, you don't have any doubts. Bhargav, you are late today? No problem. Just no problem. If one will watch, then also I'll continue this class. Okay? This is not our problem. So children, do this one, do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with was or were. These are as simple as, what you can say, just very easy. Okay, so you just note it down. Yeah, these are very simple exercise but very interesting. Do it first. After that complex type of question I'll give you. Now it's your chance to write it immediately. Do first. First question is that we dash the champions last year. Where is James? He dash here just now. Third one is mom and dad dash on vacation last week. Number 4, the weather dash fine this morning. Number 5, there dash a lot of people at our party yesterday. Number 6, there dash a small lake here many years ago. Number 7, he dash sick yesterday. 8, don't blame him, it dash my mistake. So now these are very simple and very easy. Now it's your time to complete this one. Yes, your first answer is absolutely correct. We were the champions last year. Well done. Where is James? He was here just now. Number 3, mom and dad were on vacation last week. Mom and dad were. Number 4, the weather was fine this morning. Number 5, there were a lot of people, because sentences started with there. Our subject is people here. So please write down where. And there was a small lake here many years ago. There was a small lake. Next, he was sick yesterday. He was sick yesterday. Don't blame him. It was my mistake. So children, I hope all of you have scored well. Out of 8, how much you got, my dear children? Just show me your marks. Yeah. Show me your marks, how much you got. Very good. Samiksha, how can you got 7 marks? I expect 8 out of 8. Everybody must get 8 out of 8. These are very easy and simple, and to make the concept clear. Okay, so good only. Ritanshu, very good. Bhargav, very good. So please continue. Very beautiful. Nice. Now next one. Yeah, very good. Well done. Well done. So now let us finish that one. So now next question. Yes. When Miss May walked into the class, what were the children doing? Fill in the blanks with the correct past progressive tense. Now, each and every tenses, every sentences, whatever you can watch, you have to make it past progressive tense. Past progressive tense meaning what? It has another name, past continuous tense. So make it, you know how to do this one. So number 1, James dash to Peter. James within bracket talk. Number 2, Sue dash a storybook within bracket read. Okay, Rudy dash the chalkboard within bracket erase. Number 4, David dash his math exercise do. Peter dash Joe his new watch show. Jane dash a horse in her notebook draw. Then Ahmed dash for his pencil within bracket look. Next number 8, some children dash a lot of noise in bracket make. So my dear children, here only 8 questions. So it's very simple and easy for you to solve this exercise. These are very simple exercises given to you. So you just start doing. First one is James dash to Peter within bracket top. So just follow all the criteria and do the same. I hope you can do it. Simple exercise, you can easily do it, you can easily complete it. James was talking to Peter. James was talking to Peter. Very good. Number 2, Sue. Sue singular or plural? Singular. So what we will use? Was. Okay. Sue was reading a story book. Number C, number 3, Roti was erasing, spelling E-R-A-S-I-N-G, erasing the chalkboard. Rudy was erasing the chalkboard. Number 4, David was doing his math exercise. David was doing his math exercise. Okay, so these are very simple and easy thing. You have to just know this one. Peter is the name of a person, so of course singular, so was showing. Peter was showing Joe his new watch. Number 6, Jane was drawing a horse in her notebook. Jane was drawing a horse in her notebook. Ahmad was looking for his pencil. Ahmad was looking for his pencil. Some children, what will be the correct helping verb here? Plural number, so were. Some children were making a lot of noise. Okay, so clear? First one is James was talking. Just try to match my answer with you. James was talking. Number 2, Sue was reading. Rudy was erasing. David was doing. Peter was showing. Jane was drawing. Ahmed was looking. Some children were making a lot noise. Okay, lot of noise. So dear children, now I just want to see your score. Yeah, write down your score, children. It's very important to know. Yeah, Yatharth, how can you get 7 marks? So dear children, while writing these answers, don't do it in a hurry. Just So here we can see it is buffering. Okay. So now you just ask me your doubts. If you have any doubts or any problem, you just write down your doubts now. Okay, or else I have discussed all the things. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you just write down your doubts. जितने भी बच्चे हैं सबको डाउट है तो अभी पूछो, and if you do not have any doubts, so I'll just wind up, but I'll just recapitulate the matter whatever you have learned. Okay? Okay, no doubts. Anyone? Would you like to ask any question? No. So just I am recapitulate whatever we have learned today. So these two exercises I have discussed, and we have discussed this one. Persons, whenever you are doing any exercise, देखो आपको जब error correction करना रहेगा, you have to use was or were. In that case, these are the chart which is very important to remember. If you forget when in persons and number, then there will be problem in solving this. So that's why my suggestion is that or you just mug it up, or you learn it, you just remember it in your lifetime forever. Don't forget. Okay, keep it in your mind that I have to apply it. Whenever any error correction will come, I have to apply this thing. For persons and numbers, singular and plural, either a singular or plural. If it is singular, first person. If it is singular, present, second person, third person. In that case, what will you use in past tense, what will you use in present tense, what will you use in plural number or in singular number. So all the things are very, very important to, keep it in your mind. Okay, and next thing is that simple present difference. Sometimes we are giving exercise, change from simple present to past. So in that case also you have to know what kind of transition will be there. So am is see, the am is will change it into was, are will change it into were, is will change it into was. So same wise in this one also, plural number also, everywhere you will find are, but in simple past tense everywhere what you will find it were. So these are the very important thing which is very, very necessary to remember, because in error correction sometimes we are giving this kind of confusion. Okay, and this confusion, children, you have to clear only by practicing this one. You just practice and clarify all the doubts. Next is past progressive tense, or we can tell it what? Past continuous tense. Okay, use the past progressive tense to talk about actions that were going on at a certain moment in the past. So whenever we are doing any actions, anything about the past, so that time we are using past progressive tense. Okay, that were going on at a particular certain moment in the past. It was not like that. It was that time, meaning in that particular time she was doing that work. Suppose at 3 o'clock she was taking her class, she was attending her class. So in that particular time she was busy in that. That's why we use this kind of tense. Okay, past progressive tense. और देखो प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस मीनिंग व्हाट, दैट ये काम जो है अभी चल रहा है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में जो भी काम है ये स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. बट इन पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस में ये काम जो पहले उसी टाइम पे, सपोज 7 to 8 o'clock शी वॉज बिजी इन डूइंग सॉल्विंग हर एक्सरसाइज. सो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम शी वॉज बिजी, एंड इन प्रेजेंट पर्टिकुलर प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस शी इज डूइंग द सेम. सो डिफरेंस को समझो. प्रेजेंट टेंस में अभी चल रहा है और पास्ट टेंस वो चल रहा था. सो दीज आर द टू डिफरेंस यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. Okay, and then whenever you think the same thing in such a way, that time it will be easy for you to solve. Okay, so many examples here I have discussed, many examples it is given here, so it will be easy. And how to make this one? The base form is that we have to use subject plus was or were. If if it is singular or according to subject and number, we have to use helping verb, either was or were. After that, what we are using? We are using before. Before meaning what? Present participle form. Plus उसके बाद क्या आएगा? Either a complement or anything, whatever it is important. Okay, complement will come, or in this certain or object will be there. So in this type of sentence we have to we call it past progressive tense, meaning subject plus helping verb according to the number of the subject plus before. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट बिफोर कैसे बनाना है? मेन भार्ब जो रहेगा उसके साथ आईएनजी ऐड करना है. जैसे गो है तो गोइंग, अराइव अराइविंग, मेक मेकिंग, डांस डांसिंग. समझ में आया आपको? ठीक है. और किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है ना? डाउट है तो अभी पूछ लो. टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट पास्ट फ्यूचर. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन डिस्कस. प्रेजेंट और पास्ट का डिफरेंस पहले समझो एंड देन सॉल्व इट. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी टेंसेस आर देयर? 3. व्हाट आर दिस? प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, इन प्रेजेंट टेंस वी हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 टाइप्स: सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. In past tense also we have divided into 4 types. What are these? Past simple past, past continuous or past progressive tense, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense. In future also same thing: simple future tense, future continuous or future progressive tense, future perfect continuous tense. Okay dear children, so if you do not have any doubts, so I just wind up my lesson. Okay, and very few number, I just want to announce something, very few number of children are attending this class, so it will be better if all of you join this class regularly and watch all the classes properly. Okay, and this week I'll continue with grammar, and then next week I'll start lesson again. Okay, and writing also I'll discuss. Writing, most of the writing you have covered before only, so there will be nothing new, very simple thing, only to practice. Okay, so you just practice writing. जितना हमने सिखाया, you just try to give practice. Practice makes a man perfect. And grammar, you just visit www.englishwithadifference. You visit there and you go to that grammar section, and whatever grammar is uploaded, you solve it. Okay, and you will just enjoy with this. Okay, this is a very wonderful site. You will just enjoy this one. Okay my dear children, then no more today. Thank you for attending this class. Be regular in your class, and whatever exercises we are doing, try to solve it before time, within time. Then you will be relaxed, and we can also very smoothly we can do our journey. Okay dear, bye, thank you.